All right, so here we have another corner, and we have the same situation with the liners out of track. It's got quite a ways to go to get back up in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually untuck some more of this liner. And we're going to float this liner because the water is what actually got it loose to begin with. So we're going to put some more water back in here. And that's going to loosen this liner up all the way down to the floor instead of stressing out the tile line. And we're going to just pull up, and that gives us plenty of room to tuck in. So we'll just pull up here, tuck in. We're not stretching the tile line at all. It's going all the way down to the bottom. This has clay soil, so it's really not so bad. It takes a while to dissipate out. But if you have sandy soil, you're going to have to do this more often. Getting water behind there. The other thing you can do is put a garden hose. I've actually used 2 garden hoses behind to get that water behind there, get enough water behind there for it to work. And there we go. This last little section is going to be the problem, probably. Now this side over here, which has already been stretched, is trying to come out on its own. Now if you have it where you can't get it in very well, the thing to do is take the screwdriver and get it right along the top here. And just so, because what's happening is the liner is hitting the plastic coping. So you kind of give it a chance to just keep it down and work it in pretty good. And that should catch on that little edge. The other thing you can do is take a driver, hold it sideways like this, gives it a firm ability to push it in there good and get that little edge of that liner to reach over the track and get in there well. So that's that. And that's how you do that without having to use a heat gun or hot water or stretching just this section, and the groundwater will just dissipate it on out. So anyway, there you go.